Welcome back to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoor. Today we're doing something special. We're doing a keto carne asada tacos. You guys will not want to miss this. Alright, so before we start, I would like to let you guys know in a quick update. Thank everybody else. We passed the 1,000K subscriber mark. Thanks to all of you guys for the support. So from now on, every Tuesdays is a Blackstone videos, and every Thursdays is Traeger videos. So just so you guys know, keep in mind, make sure you guys subscribe so you guys stay informed of those new videos coming out every week. So let's turn on that Blackstone. So I'm going to show you about the ingredients that we're going to be using today. This is flank steak, aka carne asada. We did this last night with my sister. Shout outs to Yuri's blog. She has her own vlog. She does some vlogging, so you guys might want to check that out. If you guys like to see vlogging, Yuri's blog. But we did this at her house. This is the leftover, so I brought it over. And keto, you can't, it's pretty much real low carbs. And I mean low carbs. So instead of tortillas, because tortillas have a lot of carbs, instead of tortillas, we're going to use cheese. So it's a cheese and carne asada. And I tried this a couple days ago, and I was like, oh my god, this is so good. And a lot of people like to, when you're doing keto, you always are looking for that one thing that you can do to make sure that there's no carbs. It's pretty easy once you find out. So we're going to use this. Alright, now that Blackstone is up to temp, it's ready, it's hot. We're going to add some oil on this side to start warming up our meat. So just a reminder, this meat was already done. We did this meat last night with my sister, and this is the leftovers. So I figure I do a keto one. Keto tacos. If you guys are into the whole keto and you guys have done this stuff or other stuff before, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys do for your keto, or if you guys have done keto on your Blackstone, what do you guys cook? So we're gonna add more oil on this side for our cheese. That way it doesn't stick and it comes out pretty damn good. And if you guys have this meat, we got it at a Mexican store. It's a flank steak, carne asada. It's $10 a pound. That's pretty expensive, but it's worth the money because it tastes and it's so tender. It's really good. So, time to add the cheese, and this is how we're going to do it. Just like that. Just on the flat top. Like that. We're gonna wait it to once we start seeing the crust on the side. You know, you see the bubbles leaning. But once we see the crust, we can flip them. Or actually, we're going to close them with the meat. We're going to start putting the meat. So yeah, so instead of tortillas or a flour tortilla, whatever, we're using cheese, so it would help. That would help better. So you're just gonna add your meat like that. However meaty you guys want it. And then you're gonna close it. You're gonna close it like that. Take that away and close. And so, like that. Pretty easy. This one, maybe on the thinner side, but you guys get the whole drift of this. So it's just cheese. So let's see, the cheese has 1 gram of carbs. So I don't know, if I had to guess, maybe 3 grams, this whole thing. Flip it. Flip it. And flip it. Just like that. And they're pretty much going to be ready to come out. So we can add our hot sauce. We can add our whatever you guys want to add to them. It's all up to you. But if you guys have been trying to look out for how to make some tacos keto style, this probably is the best way you guys can go. The best route. See how that. Alright, so now we're gonna go take them inside and get them ready. Alright, so here's the finished product. I'm gonna grab this one. See? Now, cheese leaves a lot of this oil from the cheese. You can dry it off. I like to dry it off. You don't have to. So, there it is. Now, I'm gonna put the sauce on the outside. Just like that. And then take a bite. Or you can add lettuce, cilantro, all that stuff, sour cream, and then eat it with the spoon too. Or when you're cooking it and it's open, you can add that stuff on top before you close it. So here it is. Let's take a bite. Here we have this Keto Carne asada taco. My God, this is good. By taking away the tortilla, because the white tortilla has close to 30 grams per carb, not just one. Some have more in the mid 30s, 40s. Flour tortillas are even worse. So you just cut out 30 grams, let's say, by doing it like this way. So you can eat three of these, call it good, and take another bite. Like I said, let me know down in the comments what you guys like to do for keto. What do you guys like to cook in the Blackstone? This is my favorite on the Blackstone. Let me know what you guys do in the comments. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe for future content that's coming down. I will see you guys next time.